Oregano, Origanum vulgar, is a powerful herb with many health benefits. Here are 7 useful properties of oregano, each explained in detail. 1. Rich in antioxidants. Oregano contains high levels of antioxidants, including phenolic acids, flavonoids, and thymol, which help neutralize the body's free radicals. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can cause oxidative damage to cells and tissues, contributing to aging and diseases like cancer and heart disease. You can help reduce oxidative stress and protect your cells from this damage by consuming oregano. 2. Anti-inflammatory properties. Oregano contains compounds such as carvacrol and rosmaric acid, both of which have anti-inflammatory effects. Chronic inflammation is linked to many health issues, including arthritis, heart disease, and autoimmune disorders. By reducing inflammation, oregano can support the body in managing these conditions, potentially reducing pain, swelling, and discomfort. Regular intake may help with inflammatory conditions like arthritis or inflammatory skin conditions. 3. Antimicrobial and antibacterial effects. Oregano is well known for its potent antimicrobial and antibacterial properties. Carvacrol and thymol, the key active compounds in oregano, can inhibit the growth of harmful bacteria like Escherichia coli, E. coli, and Staphylococcus aureus, which can cause food poisoning and other infections. Oregano oil is often used in natural remedies for treating infections and can be applied to wounds or diffused to purify the air. 4. Supports digestive health. Oregano stimulates the production of bile, which helps digest fats more effectively. It also has antispasmodic properties that can ease digestive issues like bloating, cramps, and gas. The fiber content in oregano also promotes regular bowel movements and supports gut health by preventing constipation. Additionally, its antimicrobial properties may help control harmful bacteria in the gut and maintain a balanced gut microbiome. 5. May boost immune system. The antibacterial, antiviral, and antifungal properties of oregano can enhance the body's ability to fight off infections. Oregano's essential oils, especially carvacrol and thymol, can strengthen the immune system by promoting the body's natural defenses against pathogens. Including oregano in your diet may help reduce the frequency of colds, flu, and respiratory infections, especially during the cold season. 6. May have anti-cancer properties. Preliminary research has shown that oregano contains compounds that could help reduce the growth of cancer cells. Carvacrol has been studied for its potential to inhibit the growth and spread of cancer cells, particularly in breast, lung, and liver cancer. Oregano's rich supply of antioxidants also contributes to its potential role in cancer prevention by protecting cells from damage that could lead to tumor growth. 7. Supports respiratory health. Oregano can act as a natural decongestant, making it beneficial for those suffering from respiratory conditions such as coughs, bronchitis, and asthma. Its anti-inflammatory properties can help soothe irritated airways, while its antimicrobial effects may aid in clearing infections in the lungs and sinuses. Oregano oil can be used in steam inhalation or applied topically to the chest to relieve symptoms of colds and congestion. Oregano is more than just a flavorful herb, it's a powerhouse of health benefits. With its antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and antimicrobial properties, oregano can play a significant role in boosting your immune system, supporting digestion, and protecting against various diseases. By adding it to your diet or using it as an essential oil, you can tap into its natural healing potential. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more health tips and wellness advice. And don't forget to leave a review in the comments. Your feedback helps us bring you the content you need.